Uh, I always wanted to, I've always liked nature. I've always been a person that liked outdoors and being outside. But inside, I mean, I have a composting toilet.
A dry toilet. Okay.
Yeah, but we don't really use it inside unless it's like during the night, and
Mm-hmm.
but usually so I have one inside and I have one outside too. And
Okay.
we just kind of prefer to go, it's in the woods. We just kind of prefer to go.
It makes sense.
Um,
Hmm.
but it's inside there. But my bathroom is kind of like slash closet because it has my shower in there. Like I have a big like trough that's for my shower, and
Oh, that you
it
get
has
in.
like,
You
yeah,
okay?
it's like
Cool.
it looks like a huge bathtub.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah,
Is it like
and
metal? Like a metal?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay.
so that's on one side. My shower and bathtub's on one side, and then the other side is like where we hang our clothes. It's like my closet area where we hang our clothes. It's an 8 by 18. It was built by Randy Jones from Incredible Tiny Homes. He used reclaimed wood to build it, and I live completely off the grid. It's set up to live completely off the grid. There, that stores my battery, my water heater, inverter. Since I'm not hooked up to the city or water, that's my 425-gallon water tank, and I have a water catchment system, gutters around my house. So when it rains, the gutters catch it and it goes into that water tank. There's a filter on the inside, and there's one right there on the outside. And I have a water pump that pumps that water to my into my water heater if I need hot water, and into the sink in my shower on the inside. Nice big window for a breeze. I really like that window. That's the window to the king size loft. I sleep there. That's the kitchen area. That table, it actually folds down, which is nice because it allows for more space in here. House. That's my water pump. That's how that works when I need water. Right there, that's space for a refrigerator, sliding door. Since I'm not hooked up to the city or water, I have a humanure composting toilet. So I just fill it in with mulch or wood chips, and when it gets full, I take it out. And if you wait a year, you can use it for compost. It's excellent compost. And that is my shower. The ladder to go upstairs. Might be a bit messy up here. Forgive me. So that's my gate. I have a 18-month-old, so that keeps her secure up there. And the cat walk all the way across. The little one sleeps over there. Nice windows for a breeze and for a lovely view at night when the stars are out. It's really nice. I'm not big on furniture, so that's a hammock right there, and I'll normally have it hanging across, and it works just fine. So there you have it, little Japa.